And that's what Luke is doing here, is he sees that the dark side is an externalized problem.
Yeah.
Cool.
That the dark side is something that has infected and infiltrated Anakin Skywalker.
Yeah.
And that is why Darth Vader exists. Darth Vader is the problem. It is not a person. It is a villainous identity that Anakin has taken on and believes that that is truly who he is. But Luke, like a good narrative practitioner, is saying, no, it's not. And Obi-Wan and Yoda are set in the traditional way, right, of how to see things. And Luke is the one coming out and saying, no, there is a better way. And you see that in the conversation that he has with Darth Vader when he's captured in Return of the Jedi, where he appeals to that true story. And he says, it's still there. It's your true self. You've just forgotten it. And when he says Anakin, when he calls him Anakin, and he says that that name no longer has any what to him?
What is it
meaning to him. Yeah. His whole, Darth Vader's whole meaning has changed. Anakin's whole meaning is tied up in Darth Vader. And Luke is saying there's a better meaning for your life. And it is in Anakin Skywalker. And the person is not the problem. The problem is the problem.
And even as bad as the Obi-Wan show is, at the end when the conversation is had between Obi-Wan and Anakin, and he was saying like, no, Anakin is dead. I am who remains. As like, I am this instead of
Yes. Yes. No, that actually is very well done how they did that.
Yeah.
And Obi-Wan says, then my friend is truly dead.
Yeah.
And that's what Luke says. He says in that scene, he said, then my father is truly dead.
Yeah.